cozy pose. One day I'll meet the person I'll become. I still remember who I was, a dreamer looking at the sky, holding hopes with shaking hands, still believing I could fly. Every road was unfamiliar, every step was slow and small, but every heartbeat kept on saying, don't be afraid to stand up tall. Maybe I can't see tomorrow, maybe I don't know the way, but every sunrise keeps reminding I'm becoming more each day. The person I'll become is waiting there for me. Every dream, every heartbeat writes another memory. The person I'll become lives inside my soul. Feel the cozy pulse, leading me back home. I believe I can see cozy pulse calling me. I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. Every failure taught me something, every scar became my guide. Even on the darkest evenings, there was still a light inside. I'm not racing with the world now, I just wanna grow each day, building something true and lasting, one small step along the way. Every mountain looks much smaller when your heart refuses fear. Every future starts from moments just like standing right here.
I don't need another shortcut, I don't need another name. Every little step I'm taking is rewriting who I became. Vision in my heartbeat, hope inside my eyes. One more dream, one more sunrise, I'll never compromise. Cozy pulse keeps me moving every breath, every mile. But the future isn't waiting, it's growing with my smile.
If tomorrow could speak, I know what it would say. Keep believing, keep creating, you're closer every day. One day you'll look behind and finally understand the future you've been searching for was always in your hands. One breath, one dream, one future. Cozy pulse, keep moving, keep believing. The person I'll become is smiling back at me. Every hope, every moment built the life I couldn't see. The person I'll become was never far away. Feel the cozy pulse, lighting every day. Person I'll become lives inside my heart. Every ending, every beginning is another brand new start. Now I see cozy pulse set me free. I'm becoming everything I'll be. Cozy pulse.